Hello everybody, it's me, Foggyham, back with another video on Foggy Makes. Today I'll be showing you how to make a paper blow dart that actually works. So to do that, first off you're going to need paper. So voila, 2 pieces of paper. You need definitely 2 of these to make the blow dart and the actual darts themselves. Also going to need tape, which is provided there. First, to make the actual blow dart, you have to roll it into a tube. Kind of want to make it as tight as possible, but not too tight that you can't actually fit anything inside. A good way to help is, once you get it tight enough, put a finger like your thumb in it and then twist it. And go to the other side and repeat. You keep doing that until you have a hollow tube. So now you want to flatten it out, and you get the tape. The ends first, just so that it's easier. This is not one of those projects that have to be very accurate or use a certain paper. So this doesn't really need any measurements. You don't even really need to tape the middle, because you're going to be holding that part. So after you got your actual blow dart, I'll show you how to make the designs in it later. So we have the second sheet of paper. What we're going to do, I'm going to fold it in half this way. And then once you've got it flat, fold it in half again. Then you got scissors. Cut on the lines. For this demonstration, I am just going to make one of these. So what you want to do is you want to grab the end, make a cone-like shape, and then you want to kind of sharpen the edge. And you roll it up. Then you can keep pulling back and forth with the tab. I'm going to leave it a little bit open just for now, but I'll have to make sure it's closed later. So then, tape the fold down. And the reason you don't need measurements for the blow dart is because you can actually make it any size you want. So you put it in the hole as far as it can go. Get a pencil, mark where that is, and then you cut a couple millimeters below that. There's your dart. If it doesn't easily slide in, then cut off a couple more millimeters of paper. Then you keep going until you have the right fit. That fits just inside of it. For the best firing, what you want to do is kind of flatten the actual blow dart by pressing on it. So then that will make sure that the blow dart fits in, but it's being pressed, the sides are being pressed down, so when it comes out, it has the strongest seal from when the dart gets the air blown in. A few designs that I like to make, it's like a space in the middle of the actual blow dart. So what you do is you trace, I'm going to do a diamond shape instead of like a curved shape. Like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just counts in how you're making it. Get the scissors, cut along the lines. Okay, then do the same thing to the other side. After that, you have a space, and the blow dart still works. It still will go through. So you can either make more blow darts from the other pieces of paper that you've cut, or instead you can actually add like a frill design to this. Really simple. You just get a single square, which I have here, and what you do is you basically just kind of roll it. It's not necessary, but it like pre-rolls it a little bit. Then you fold about the one edge to about the halfway point, and you get your scissors, and then you keep cutting, and then you keep going over and over again, but I think we can fix that very quickly. And there we have it cut into like a grass. So then what you do, you can actually do multiple layers of this. What I like to do is I like to fold them again. So they're like a little folded, but it's not a complete crease. And then at the end of your blow dart, you tape one end of the grass-like paper that you just cut. And then you wrap it around. All the way till it's around the whole entire blow dart. Then you tape that. Taping it at an angle so I don't have to use a second piece of tape to secure it to the actual blow dart. And then you can push the grass away. That was a weird noise. And you kind of like that. There you go. A working blow dart.